Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Need to convert PDF files to editable Word documents? Good thing there are a bunch of reliable methods out there that can help you do that. In this video, I'll show you how you can do it, especially for free. Let's go. There are two main types of options out there: free online converters and free downloadable software. Each has its own set of features and potential limitations regarding file size, the need for registration, and the handling of scanned documents. Online converters are a convenient option because they don't require you to install any software. You simply upload your PDF file to the site, initiate the conversion, and download the resulting Word document. Many online converters offer basic conversion for free, and some offer limited access to features such as optical character recognition, or OCR for scanned PDFs or batch processing. Here are the popular free online converters. Adobe Acrobat Online. This tool provides accurate conversions and often preserves formatting well. Free use may be limited, and you may need to sign up after a few conversions. Next is Small PDF. It is known for its user-friendly interface. It offers free PDF to Word conversion with a focus on ease of use and security. They often highlight no login requirements and file encryption. Then I love PDF. This popular online suite offers a free PDF to Word converter, among many other PDF tools. It's generally easy to use. However, it is also essential to note that when using online converters, many free online tools impose restrictions on the maximum file size that can be uploaded. Additionally, with privacy, while most reputable services claim to delete your files after a certain period, always exercise caution when uploading sensitive documents to third-party sites, as well as with formatting accuracy. The complexity of the PDF can affect how accurately the formatting is preserved in the converted Word document. PDFs with complex layouts, multiple columns, or embedded fonts may not convert properly. Lastly, with OCR for scanned PDFs. If your PDF is an image or scanned document, you'll need a converter with OCR technology to make the text editable in Word. Free OCR may have limitations in use or accuracy. If you need more frequent conversions, larger files, or greater privacy, free downloadable software can be a better option. Might consider this software that I've been using if you need to do more than just a simple free PDF to Word conversion. This software is an all-in-one PDF tool that can convert PDFs to other formats while keeping the data the same. You can convert here your files quickly without losing the original formatting. That also offers strong batch processing and editing features, and has advanced features like OCR or optical character recognition, which converts images of text into machine-readable text. That makes it a versatile tool. This PDF software is the best and will meet all your needs. Just ensure that your PC meets the system requirements. I've attached the link below so you can have it for free. To start, launch the program from your desktop. Since the software has a simple interface, you can directly locate the tools you need on the start page. You'll see here different features the tool offers, like its AI functionality, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, and batch tools to batch process PDF documents. Now, to convert, you can use the Convert PDF option, which is displayed on the home screen. Or go to Open PDF and select the file if you want to preview your document. Let's have this example file. Tap on it to open, and this will take you to the tool's home screen. From here, navigate to the Convert option in the toolbar. Select PDF to Word from the available options. In the pop-up window, you'll see all the document's information. After reviewing the details, you'll need to specify the page range you want to convert. For example, if your document has 3 pages, you just adjust the range to include the pages you need. After a while, choose the desired file format. It could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, and many other options. Then click the Convert button to start the conversion process. Your PDF will be ready shortly. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.